hey, to change font style and the font size on the Realme 12 5G, you have to open the settings. Now you'll have to move into the wallpapers and the style and click on the font. Now you can find 4 different fonts that you can quickly apply. But also when you click here, you will be redirected into this store and you can even download additional fonts if you want. So if you like, for example, this font, you have to click on this apply button and you will be able to download it. But let's say that I want to get, for example, this font. Now if I want to change size of this font, I have to move this slider to the left or to the right side, so I can make everything bigger or smaller. And that's how you can actually change these fonts on this device. Let's say that I want to click apply for this one. Now I have to wait, and as you can see, everything looks bigger right now. So right now, please subscribe.